Hey beauties, welcome back to Beauty Boss Reviews, and in today's video we'll be talking about this particular serum that I've tried and I'm here to testify on the job this serum is doing. If you know your skin is giving you two color and you've looked for something to add to your lotion and you've not seen, then this video is for you. You have patches, discoloration, sunburn or any other skin issues, this video is for you. Just watch this video to the end, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, welcome guys. So on today's video I'll be talking about this serum. It is called the Glutathione Comprime Super Forte. This is a very concentrated serum. It is mixed, or it is done with glutathione tablet. It is an anti-tatch, meaning it helps to remove tatches, as in um, patches on your skin, knuckles, dark elbow, dark inner thigh, and all of that. This serum is capable of giving you one color, like unifies your skin from your head to your toe. This is a very strong, potent serum. It has two variants. I'm going to leave the picture of the other one on the screen. It has two variants, and this is the one I've been using so far, and I'm loving the job. Okay, this is something that when add to your skincare product, like when you add it to your shower gel, you add it to your black soap. When you're mixing your black soap, you add this to your body oils, like you want to make a whitening oil, try and add this into your whitening oil and you will get a very good result. This is very strong. If you intend to use this directly on your skin, I'm going to advise you against using it directly on your skin. It's a no-no. Just the way, like I said, it's very strong. It is capable of burning your skin. It is also capable of giving you 3 shades lighter when you use. You can imagine something of that nature, how powerful it is, that gives you 3 shades lighter, but not to be used on its own. It is to be mixed with your body oil, your body lotion, your body cream, and maybe your black soap. This is how you use it. Don't use it alone. Using it alone will give you a lot of skin problems. So this is a super forte. It is an anti-touch, like I said, and it is concentrated with glutathione tablet. This will give you one skin tone. It is a product of Paris, London, New York, and for that you can imagine what it does. It contains kojic acid as well, glutathione tablet, and lots of vitamins. The fact that it contains fruity acid alone makes me like the serum, and how it gives you that one skin tone, that clean skin tone, unifies it from your head to your toe. Okay, this goes for the price of 12,000, and for the size, I like it because actually it's a concentrated serum. It's not something you use directly. It's something you're going to like use in a layman's measurement. You can use just 2 tablespoons of this into your serum, into your body oil, into your body lotion, or into your black soap. Okay, please do not abuse this, because a lot of people tend to go overboard and say, okay, this, since this is very effective, they are going to turn the whole bottle into their body lotion. That's not what I said. I said in a layman's calculation, you can use 2 tablespoons to add this into any product you want to premix. Okay, especially if you're premixing your whitening oil. Also remember that just don't overdo it. All right, guys, this is very good. It is advisable for you to use it with sense. Like I usually say, use your product with sense. If you watch this video to this point and you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button and turn on your post notification so you can be informed each time I post a new video. So guys, let me know if you're going to be trying this glutathione comprime super forte, or if you've tried it and it's give you a good result. Please leave a comment in the comment section, And if you have a bad review about this, you can as well as also drop it. Let's also learn. Okay. So guys, um get your hands on this, try it in your product and come back to thank me. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.